Good morning, students of class 9. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let us continue our new lesson, chapter 6 from supplementary reader. So today we are going to do Weathering the Storm in Erasma. Erasma is the name of a place in Orissa. So Weathering the Storm in Erasma is chapter 6, lesson 6. Now it's all about the poem, about the story or the event. It's about the story, about the event. What is it all about? This chapter, Weathering the Storm in Erasma, this chapter is about the real event that took place in Odisha in the year 1999. It's not an imaginary story or a fiction. It is a real event that took place or that took place in the year 1999 in Odisha. So now here it is a description of the brave act of a young and courageous boy named Prasan. Here is a description about the event as well as the description about a young and courageous boy named Prasan. What he did that he became so famous and everybody knew him. Everybody searched him during the time of need. Prasan was a source of inspiration and source of comfort at the time of this event. He guided the victims of the floods who were gathered at the Red Cross shelter in his village in Odisha. All the people, the villagers, they had gathered at the Red Cross shelter and in his village in Odisha, and Prasan, he was a source of inspiration. He guided them, organized them and helped them in every respect, though he was very young. So let's see. He inspired, encouraged each person of the community, whether small, old, young, women, men, all were inspired. He inspired each person, children, young, women, men, old, all of the community to help one another. At the time of need, they must help one another. He showed them how to do it. He organized them and he managed them. This lesson tells us, we have not gone through detailing, just we are talking about what is it all about. This lesson tells us the importance of the young segment of the society. Young segment means young generation, the new generation, the young boys, the volunteers who are ready to work for the community. The importance of the young segment, young group, young part of the community. Young segment means a part. A young segment of the society. They can work together for the community and for the society. So here we can see the importance of the young segment of the society. During natural calamities such as flood, landslides, earthquakes, cyclones, tsunamis, these are natural calamities, events. During natural calamities, they can help each other, guide each other and save the community with medicines. They can supply medicine, they can work for the community, help the wounded with medicine, care, materials, whatever things they require, and food, as well as construction of shelters. The young are the most important segment of the society. They can be mobilized, they can be used for various purposes during the time, or they can be mobilized during the time of calamities. The value of the young is recognized at the time of need. When there is a time of need, the value of the young can be recognized and can be utilized or can be mobilized. They are the active members of the society. They have the will, courage and the strength. They are not just like the old people. They have the will, they have the courage, they have the strength combined together to help the society and community at the time of need. That's the most important part. Prashant, we are talking about Prashant. He is such a boy. Prashant worked tirelessly. He worked tirelessly, forgetting about his own problems. He was facing his own problem. He was having his own problem. But he forgot about his own problems. He worked, he dedicated himself for the welfare of the society entirely, totally. So Prashant worked tirelessly, forgetting about his own problems and difficulties. And for the same, he was awarded a number of times. He became a renowned and a popular face among the society, among the people. Everybody knew him. He was a very kind-hearted person, or a boy, generous, loving and caring. All the qualities he had, and he utilized them properly for the welfare of the society, for the benefit of the other people. So this made him great. A number of awards were given to him for his service to the society. Now in our next class we'll continue according to the book, according to the paragraph wise. We will go in detail. So this is in general right now. So this is all about the chapter, about the event, what type of event took place, the action of the boy or the person, how he acted, how he managed, how he helped them, what were his own difficulties, how he overcome his difficulties, how he look after the difficulties of the others, how he managed them, everything. It's all about proper management and organization, and the importance of the young generation or the young segment of the society. It's all about that, and the real event that took place in the year 1999 and in Orissa. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue properly in detail. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. Go through online portal every day, don't forget it, so that you will not miss anything. You can understand everything clearly. You can write anything, any type of answer or questions can be answered. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.